This lesson will show you how to use and manage your personal favorite folders in UShop. One way you can add items to your personal favorites is while you are reviewing the results of a search in UShop. So, let's search for a 600 milliliter beaker. This is an item that will be ordered frequently, so you don't want to have to search for it every time it needs to be ordered. To do this, click the Add Favorite link under the Add to Cart button. A new window will open. I want to put some of my own words in the description so I can remember this item every time I order it. So before it gets saved to my folder, I will update the description. I'll delete the text that is here and type in something that is more meaningful to me. An important note here is that what I type in this field will not be sent to the supplier. The original description will be sent. This description is strictly to help me identify this item in my folder. After making the edit, I'll next select the folder where I want the beaker to be placed. To create a new folder, select New Top Level Personal Folder, and then you are given a window where you can name the folder and optionally provide a description. Then click on Save. Once the folder is created, make sure it is highlighted and click Save Changes. A very important note about Favorites folders is that you should not add items from a Punch-Out catalog into a Favorites folder, as it does not reflect that item's correct price or availability with a supplier. A hosted catalog item will, however, always use the current price. If you want to save an item from a Punch-Out catalog as a favorite, please do it on that Punch-Out vendor's website. Subfolders are a good way to manage favorites or create shopping lists of products that you order frequently. To do so, navigate to Favorites by hovering over the shopping cart icon in the left navigation bar and then select View Favorites. You'll now see a split window. The window on the left is where you'll manage the folders. On the right is the display window where you'll see folder contents. In the left-hand portion of the split, we see two folder entry types. Personal folders are created, modified, and used exclusively by individual users. Shared folders can be created by an administrator and allow folders to be made that share items across the organization, department, or group of users. At the top of the window on the left, you'll see two buttons. The Search button allows you to search for items in your favorites folders. The Add button allows me to create a new folder or subfolder. To create a new subfolder, highlight where the subfolder should be created and then click Add New, followed by Subfolder of Selected Folder, to place the entry under the highlighted folder. Once you have selected the destination, then you can add a folder name and a description. Once this subfolder is created, there are a number of options available which can be seen by clicking the Folder Actions link. Click Edit to edit the folder, which will allow you to change the subfolder name and description. Click Move to move the subfolder and its contents to a different location. Click Copy to copy the subfolder and its contents to a different location. Click Delete to delete a folder and its contents. Now you are ready to use folders to order items. To use an entire folder to place an order, select the folder you wish to order from. From here, you could order items individually, but since you want the entire folder contents, click the checkbox here to select all items in the folder. Then select the Actions for Selected Folders button, followed by Add to Cart. These items are now added to the active cart, and you can continue to shop as usual. While in a Favorites folder, you can edit an item by clicking the Edit link. This allows you to enter a nickname and a description for the product, much the same way as you did when you first added it to the folder. You can also remove an item from a Favorites folder by clicking on the Delete link. This has been a lesson reviewing how to use and manage your personal favorites folders. For more information about UShop, please contact UShop at utah.edu or visit the website shown on the screen.